Simple sentences every beginner need to learn. Wake. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. Brush. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Wash. I wash my face. I wash my face. Make. I make my breakfast. I make my breakfast. Eat. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Drink. I drink milk. I drink milk. Open. I open my bag. I open my bag. Close. I close the door. I close the door. Go. I go to work. I go to work. Go. I go to school. I go to school. Now quiz. Chop. I blank vegetables. Choose the right answer. 3, 2, 1. I chop vegetables. Wait. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. Sit. I sit on the bus. I sit on the bus. Stand. I stand at the door. I stand at the door. Read. I read a book. I read a book. Write. I write my name. I write my name. Learn. I learn English. I learn English. Have. I have a pen. I have a pen. Need. I need a pencil. I need a pencil. Ask. I ask a question. I ask a question. Listen. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. Call. I call my father. I call my father. Buy. I buy a chocolate. I buy a chocolate. Like. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Feel. I feel tired. I feel tired. Go. I go to the doctor. I go to the doctor. Have. I have a headache. I have a headache. Cook. I cook rice. I cook rice. Cut. I cut paper. I cut paper. Wash. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. Clean. I clean the table. I clean the table. Hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. Open. I open the window. I open the window. Go. I go home. I go home.